Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change your Instagram name. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Instagram app on your device. Once the Instagram app opens up on your device, make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll be on this home page of your Instagram account. Now, what you'll have to do is click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, which will guide you to your account page. Now, on this page, what you'll have to do is simply click on this edit profile button. Once you click on the edit profile button, you'll be guided to another page. Now you can change your name or your username or any other detail here. So what you'll have to do to change your name is simply click on this text field and fill in the name you want. So let's say I want it to be Adam Smith. So simply type in that name and click on the tick on the top right corner of your screen. And if you want to change your username, simply click on this and fill in the username you want. You'll have to fill in an available username. So let's say I want it to be this. Let it load and then click on the tick on the top right corner of your screen. Now what you'll have to do is click on the tick option on the top right corner of your screen again. Wait for it to load, and there you have it. My name and my username has been changed. I hope this video helped you to change your Instagram name. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.